Hello, friends. Looking at the presented photos, it may seem that they capture one of the countless Martian craters, isn't it? But in fact, this is not Mars but our Earth. The photos, taken from the International Space Station by astronaut Alexander Gerst, show the Tenumer crater, located in Mauritania in the Sahara Desert. What makes it so remarkable and what data does it carry? You will find out everything now. Make yourself comfortable. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We are starting. Tenumer is almost a perfect circle with a diameter of 2 kilometers. Its wall rises about 100 meters above the surrounding surface, and the bottom is covered with a layer of sedimentary deposits 300 meters thick. According to geologist estimates, the crater formed about 20,000 years ago, and according to some hypotheses, caused the extinction of all flora and fauna in the place where the Sahara now exists. And it is for this reason that under the sands of the desert, more and more remains of the same ancient whales are found. Did ancient people witness the impact of a celestial body? And if so, could mentions of this event have reached us in the form of some myths and legends? Proponents of alternative history find in this crater, as well as in many similar ones, such as the Awalul Wabar Aurunga, Vredefor Amguid, and others, something more than just the impact of a stone mass. So what's the catch? Experts in this field cite the ancient maps of Africa from 1570 and 1635 as examples. If you look at the map from 1570 essentially, you can see that the entire area was filled with cities at that time. The same applies to the map from 1635. Preliminary data suggests that each of these cities had a population ranging from 10 to 400,000 people, and many of them were no different from Cairo, which, by the way, is also present. However, they simply disappeared from the earth. Some, of course, left ruins behind like Timgad, but it was made a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and that means that nothing can be dug up there and fully explored. Therefore, the question arises, is there something to hide in these places? And it's not about the asteroid at all. Conspiracy theory enthusiasts claim that something very powerful struck the entire African continent just a few hundred years ago, and it looks more like a carpet bombing of destructive force than just a random asteroid. As a result of this event, hundreds of cities and settlements were destroyed, potentially killing millions of people from an ancient civilization. Official sources are quite skeptical about this theory and blame the decrease in population and the destruction of cities on mundane earthquakes, floods, tidal waves, epidemics, wars, and other similar things. But it's up to you to decide who to believe. Friends, which theory do you lean towards more? Write in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.